Major update in the baking studio. The micro bakery is growing and we just got a new oven from Alfa, the Alfa Allegro. In this video, we're gonna fire it up and I'm gonna cook my first pizza in the oven with you. We also got this little tiny baking studio. Baking studio, baking studio. Let's go outside and fire up the Alfa Allegro. You can see behind me, I've got the Alpha 4 pizza, which is right here. I've been using that for about 4 years, and the new oven here is the Alfa Allegro. So this oven is absolutely ridiculous. The design, made in Italy. The Alpha, just wonderful. Beautiful stand, wonderful color. I think it looks pretty good next to the old one, but you know, let me know what you think. We're gonna take a look inside. Inside this oven is just stunning. The design, the sheer size of it. You can see it's a little bigger than the 4 pizza. Unbelievable craftsmanship. This is super exciting just to light this thing up. I've honestly been waiting for a few days till I had a chance to film this. And I'm gonna just do a quick production here. I shouldn't say low quality. We're gonna do a quick production just so I can share this with you and show you just how awesome this oven really is. If you've been considering a wood oven, I am not sponsored by Alpha, but they did send me this one to try out. That said, I used the Alpha 4 pizza for almost 5 years and it crushes. I cooked thousands of pizzas on it. You can see those pizzas on my Instagram. And let's see what the Allegro can do. And we're gonna see. I've even got a little helper here. She's gonna help us light the wood oven and cook her first pizza.
No.
You gonna cook your first pizza? Oh, your first pizza in the new oven.
Hi, my name is Juniper. Today we're gonna cook a pizza in the Alfa Allegro, and let's get started. All right, guys, my dad just let the oven, and we're going to make the pizza. Let's go on the tree.
So I've got a little paper bag in there and just the little pieces of kindling to light it, and then we'll throw a couple bigger logs on. Usually I put the paper underneath, put the kindling on top, light it up. I'm just really excited to use this thing, so I chucked it all in there. Let's see. We are in Canada. It's a little bit cold, and it actually just started snowing, but I really don't care. I want to cook a pizza in here, and as you can see, it's lit.
To test out this oven, I made a quick sourdough pizza dough. It's been fermenting for about 24 hours, and we're gonna make a very simple margarita pizza. You can find this recipe somewhere on my Instagram, and if you drop a few comments and enough people want a sourdough pizza recipe, I'll make sure to post it in an upcoming video on the YouTube channel.
We are sitting at about 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little lower than I cooked in the old Alpha, but this one really retains the heat. So let's fire the pizza and see where we get. It's kind of cold out here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my spinner into the oven just to warm it up a little bit, and what that's gonna do is it's going to help us spin the pizza a little bit better. We're gonna get right underneath, and we're gonna start to turn that pizza. It's got some puff in the crust, it's starting to leopard, looks beautiful. Now, as I mentioned, I'm cooking a little bit lower than I used to in the old oven, but there's a ton of coals here, and the thermal mass in this oven is insane. The thermal mass being the heat retention and the saturation of heat in the stones. It's just beautiful. All right, our pizza's done, about 90 seconds. Beautiful leoparding, nice puff around the edges, looks great. Can't wait to eat it. All right, so it's the first time cooking in the new Alfa Allegro. We've done a couple margarita pizzas, and as a little bonus to this video, we're gonna show a new pizza we've been working on. Kimchi, bacon, sesame, and gochujang. I've already stretched the dough out here, and we're gonna top it and get it in the oven. We're gonna start with a little bit of tomato, and we don't want too much because we're gonna use a combo of sauces here. We're gonna put a few streaks of this, just a little bit. It's a little bit salty and spicy, so we don't want to overdo it, just to complement the rest of the pizza. And a little bit more tomato on the edge here. We're gonna use a little bit of low moisture mozzarella, just to work as a glue. Not too much. Some kimchi. Little bacon. If you're loving this pizza, Don't forget to like this video, maybe subscribe to the channel. Little parsley, and we're gonna finish this with the sesame after. Okay, and just a touch of olive oil to keep it nice and moist on top. Make sure it slides, and let's get it cooking. Kimchi pizza's in the oven. We're gonna let this puff up a little bit in the crust and turn it. You can see the cheese melting, the crust is puffing. This is gonna be awesome. It smells amazing already. Gonna warm up my spinner a little bit. And we're gonna loosen this from the bottom of the oven. Give it a light spin. You can see we're starting to get some leoparding there. Oh yeah. Try and get all sides nice and charred. Look at that. This pizza smells amazing. All right, our kimchi pizza's done. Oh, come on. This looks amazing. All right, it's time to eat this kimchi pizza. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see cooked in the Alfa or pizza content in general, and I'll see you all in the next video. If you're interested in learning more about how you can make sourdough pizza at home, whether that's in your home oven, a beautiful wood oven like the Alfa Allegro, I've got a full digital sourdough pizza course, and I'm gonna leave a special promo for anyone that watches this video in the comments below. Let's throw this in and see how it cooks.